Live from Rome, Italy, here are the 2024 Miss Galaxy IMVU contestants.
Katra Applesauce, Canada.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your hosts for the evening, Asher Alistair and the reigning Miss Galaxy IMVU, Astrid Alonso.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the 2024 preliminary competition of the Miss Galaxy IMVU live from Rome, Italy.
It is an extreme honor to be here hosting beside the amazing Miss Galaxy 2024. Over 20 amazing and inspired women from all around the world are here in this amazing country to fight for the biggest title of the galaxy.
Tonight, we will take a major step into finding out who will wear the beautiful Galaxy crown. The preliminary round will decide who moves onto the top 10.
Yes, the preliminary round consists of their judges interview, national costume, swimsuit, fun fashion, and evening gown presentations. Amongst these, the best of 10 of 20 women will be chosen.
We have already met the contestants in their custom Sherry Hill opening numbers. And when we come back, the contestant will strut their stuff in the swimsuit competitions.
Yes, so do not go anywhere. The Miss Galaxy IMVU pageant will be right back.